Today, we introduce a special method for those with particularly hunched backs. We will share an amazing secret that can correct a curved back with simple self-treatment. Try improving your posture with this method that you can do with just a pen. Hello, this is Sky Acupuncture. We're here today for your health. Before we begin, please subscribe and like. Your small interest is a great encouragement to us. A hunched back is a common problem among modern people. Prolonged sitting, poor posture habits, and stress can be major causes. A curved back can seriously affect spinal health beyond just appearance issues. This can lead to various health problems such as neck and shoulder pain, breathing difficulties, and digestive issues. Now, let's discuss the perspective of the 5 elements and 6 ki in traditional Korean medicine. From the 5 elements viewpoint, a hunched back can be seen as an imbalance between metal and wood. Metal is related to the lungs and is responsible for breathing and ki circulation, while wood is related to the liver and regulates muscle and ligament flexibility. When the harmony between these 2 elements is disrupted, postural imbalance can occur. From the 6C perspective, wind and dampness have significant influence. Wind symbolizes movement and change, and excessive wind can cause muscle tension. Dampness signifies stagnation and accumulation, which can reduce muscle and joint flexibility. When these 2 factors act excessively, a hunched back can develop. Therefore, we can improve the hunched back symptoms by restoring the balance between metal and wood and regulating the effects of wind and dampness through sound acupuncture. This is achieved by regulating the lung and liver meridians and stimulating acupoints that remove wind and dampness. Today's treatment method uses the lung meridian. The lung meridian regulates upper body energy and facilitates breathing. Since a hunched back is often associated with breathing imbalance, stimulating the lung meridian can improve breathing and correct upper body posture. The lung meridian also promotes ki circulation, fostering overall body balance. Now, I'll explain the self-treatment method using Som acupuncture with a pen that this channel introduces. The treatment method will be shown at the end of this video, so please watch until the end. When treating, treat the opposite side of the area that's usually uncomfortable or painful. If you're unsure, it's fine to treat both sides. Try this for 1 to 2 weeks continuously. You'll really see the effects. If you feel discomfort after treatment, or if the discomfort persists, reversing the current method will restore you to your original state. So there's no need to worry in advance. We're introducing 4 acupoints for treatment, but if circumstances don't allow or if you're hesitant, treating just the first 2 points is also effective. If today's video was helpful, please hit the subscribe and like buttons, and be sure to share your experiences in the comments. We'll be back with more useful information in the next video. Stay healthy. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the nail. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment.